We're at USA MedBed Hospital Direct Medical, and we're looking at the difference between a vascular ultrasound table and a cardiac ultrasound table. And we get this question a lot, and it's a popular question. And I've had many purchasing people in medical facilities not know the difference, order the wrong table, and then all of a sudden the staff is not getting what they need. So this will be a real quick overview. But basically, there's multiple kinds of ultrasound tables. Primarily, though, you're going to see them for cardiac-related things and OB/GYN, and then vascular, what we would call vascular studies. And the biggest difference between a vascular ultrasound table and a cardiac table is that a vascular table is going to do Trendelenburg, meaning it's going to be at an angle. And if you can see here, for the sake of the video, I turn this one up so that you can see it when it's fully up. And basically, this is a vascular table right here. And the reason it's at this angle is that this angle, when a person is at it, is the ideal angle to get a probe into the carotid artery to check the carotid arteries in the neck and see how blood flow is and if there's any blockage and that type of thing. So the first thing you're going to notice about a vascular table, even if it's flat, it's always normally going to have a headpiece or a foot piece, excuse me. So that's always going to be the first thing you're going to look for. Even if the table was flat, you would immediately know that it's a vascular table because they're obviously going to put somebody in an angle. They need to keep them on there. Whereas these two tables right here, being cardiac tables, will not have that problem or have that functionality. And the other thing, the number one thing that I do or have staff do is basically get the remote control, and you'll see on a vascular table that you're going to have the Trendelenburg features. So when I'm looking at an ultrasound table, the first thing I want to know is what functionality it has. And so I'm going to grab it. And as soon as I grab this and look at this, I can know it's head up and down and power up and down. This is primarily going to be used as a cardiac table. Now, cardiac tables also will have a distinct features. Some of them do. These are MPI. This is Biodex. This is another company over here. But cardiac tables will also have a cutout, and that cutout will basically drop a big section out so they can get the probe up along the heart area in the ribs and get a really good study that way. So when you're looking at ultrasound, now this one here could be used for multiple functions because it's up and down. It's almost like a power exam table at that point. But when you're looking at the differences between a cardiac ultrasound table and a vascular ultrasound table, like I said, one's going to have Trendelenburg, one's going to have a foot piece. These obviously don't have any foot pieces, so even if they had Trendelenburg, you would still need an additional piece on these, but they don't, and you almost always know they don't. And once again, head up and down, power up and down, which is what you want for a vascular ultrasound table. So here at Hospital Direct Medical, USA MedBed, we refurbish ultrasound tables and sell those. We ship them all over the country, San Diego, California, Richmond, Virginia, and they get reupholstered. We put brand new casters on them, paint the bases, and then, just get them shipped out, ready to go. So if you're looking for used refurbished ultrasound tables, you can give us a call, San Diego, 858-263-4894, Richmond, Virginia, 540-327-7376. And that is our main phone number. You can also go to One Used Medical Equipment and see some of the tables, but there's always a flowing stock of tables coming in, going out. So depending on what it is that you need, if it's OB/GYN, which we're not really covering in this video, but something like this right here, it would have pull-out stirrups. This actually does have pull-out stirrups. So we can see right here that we've got stirrups that come out, that this one actually does have the OB/GYN functionality. So if you're looking for ultrasound tables, give us a call. Sold, used, refurbished, we can ship them all over the United States. USA MedBed, Hospital Direct Medical. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe and share for more updated information on medical equipment.